What's going on? So Jared's just hit me up. He said he's got a bit of a surprise for us, so we're gonna go cruise over, see what that's about, and I'm gonna bring you guys along and see where it takes us.
What's going on?
Seems trouble has found us.
Going on?
Oh, did you get new skirts?
Good dinner.
Just stand back.
Get. Really?
What's going on, buddy?
Ooh.
What are we seeing? Ooh, I told you.
Ooh,
I told you.
Baby.
That's I think it's a Garrett G25 550.
G25, Garrett, you baller.
So yeah, G25 550, dual catch can, custom dual catch cans, oil cooler, and I could put a new flex fuel kit, 1050cc injectors as well.
1050.
So yeah.
Damn,
On
Jared.
the E85. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Where'd you get it tuned?
She rips 86 shop. So they did everything. They did everything. So they only work on
That's so
86
sick.
BRZ, WRXs and stuff. I have to do a dyno tune, but I'm pretty sure on high boost it's pushing, I think, about 350 to the wheel.
That's pretty.
Damn.
So that or more. So low boost will be about like 280 or so to the wheels. So it's running on, I think on low boost is 8 and high boost is 10 to 11 PSI. For the,
Still stuck quite a bit and stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm keeping it low boost
That's so
and
cool.
low PSI for now. So yeah, slowly I'll upgrade a few other things. Oh, it's true. I had him on low boost and I was just like,
And like, I think I had it like sport sharp or whatever, and it was like, it was good, and then it turned back in, gone. See you later.
and that was low boost, so yeah. So keen to see, but yeah, it is very scary on high boost. I can tell you that much. It is scary. Like it kicks, but
That's sick.
yeah. I just thought I'd surprise you all, didn't tell you
That was a
anything.
very good
I was
surprise.
gonna say.
I'm very happy with the surprise.
It's been a long time coming.
I just shut my mouth, I'm like, no, it is what it is.
We're literally like, what is it? What is it?
Like excited about it, I was like, something's going on.
What do you think about the surprise?
I'm so jealous. No, I'm the only one without a turbo car.
Oh, and it makes my favorite noise. So yeah, let's go for a drive.
Fatty, get out of here.
He's gonna up the boost now. Hopefully it's just untuned or whatever, but is your car all good?
Yeah.
It was just smoking heaps after that pull.
Was it on the rear?
Okay.
The rear?
When you let off, it was just smoking heaps.
The second
so-
one.
I mean, it might
was-
be tuned or
It was
whatever.
when you
but
slowed down.
As long as nothing like happened or
It was fine.
just, can I just give it a rev? Just. Alright, it's probably just tuned then, like the different fuel or
It
whatever.
scared me, man.
Was it like heaps of white?
Yeah, it was white blue.
But if you're running really rich, it'll blow smoke as well. So it could just be that, like, because it's not tuned for ethanol.
Yeah. Well,
So don't stress about it. I think you'd know if there was like head gasket or something. Sorry, I don't mean to scare you. I just want to
No,
like
no, no.
Right,
keep
we
your car
looked at
safe
each other
as
like,
well.
oh,
yeah, no,
Okay.
not me.
Well, that was on 21 psi, so that was that was against like 600 horsepower.
Your thing hooks,
Yeah.
man.
Goes alright.
Yeah, we're pretty.
Well, check out the Tesla symbol on the headlight.
Yeah, an angel. That's why they call them angel lights.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. It's like, it might not shape it, but it's actually an angel.
That's sick. Oh, dude, the second pull or the first one.
After the car.
At first I didn't realise because I thought it was a different car or something because we were going real slow. So I was looking around and I saw you go. I was like, oh. And then I was like downshifting. I went into third and I saw old mate pulling behind me. I was like, oh. And he's like right behind me as if he's going to pull me over, like tailgating me.
That's
and
why
I was
you
like,
went to the
move
left.
over.
That's why I was like, I was like trying to find. I was like, all right, I need to move, so you can move over.
I'm like, fuck, I done nothing wrong.
Yeah, so I'm glad we didn't. Anyways, cool.
Your car real
We're
quick.
here under the nutsack of the tree. Delicious.
Bro's got his own fucking building, like.
Dude, you know how much a GoPro lighting mod is? It's like 110 bucks or something. Guess how much this cost me?
When it comes to like what?
12 bucks. Yeah, 12 bucks and a zip tie. Do they know how to parallel park? Oh, he got that Riz.
Nah.
Oh, no, he's
Nah,
doing
he's
too
just-
early. That's gonna cost him.
4 out of 10 right now. Right, now he's a 3 out of 10.
Dude.
I bet you he's gonna leave.
Can save it if he hooks it hard. Here we go.
He's hooking,
He
he's
knows how to
hooking.
do it. Oh, no, he's got it.
Alright, that's some.
Hit the car and that's a 10-second penalty.
He stopped watching.
No, another readjust.
Oh, we'll readjust it.
Yep, not far enough back.
Gotten away with that, but
Now he's too far back, so he's gonna have to go forward again.
58.2.
He's back on, it's back on, it's back on. It's back off.
Alright, because of the light on, there's an extra second. We're now 58.2.
Alright, that's second take.
Have that clown music playing in the background.
Yeah, it's good, mate. Just
Yeah, no, a bit closer.
oh, he's got a spotter. He's got a spotter. He can do it.
Nah, he didn't. He turned too early.
Don't too early.
Alright, my confidence.
Yes.
No, it's not. It's Go
good.
back. She's like, move back. What are you doing, you mother? Whoa!
He's having a look. He's having a look. What's the verdict?
The head scratch was so funny.